If you're wondering how you can turn on and off the zoom controller on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max or the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now to do that, just go to Settings and tap on Accessibility. In Accessibility, you will find the option of Zoom. Just tap on it. Now under the Zoom settings, you will find the option of Zoom Controller. Just tap on it. Now to enable the Zoom Controller, just enable Show Controller. Now as you can see, we have successfully enabled the Zoom Controller on our iPhone. Now if you want to show the Zoom Controller, just go back and enable the toggle for Zoom. And once you do that, you will enable the Zoom Controller on your iPhone. Just like that. Now if you want to turn off the Zoom Controller, under the Zoom settings, just go to Zoom Controller, and from here just disable the toggle for Show Controller. And once you do that, you will disable the Zoom Controller on your iPhone. And this is how you can turn on and off the Zoom Controller on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.